Hello everyone, hope you found it doing great. Welcome to the Esay channel. If you're new here, welcome, and I'm so happy to see you all once again. I believe so some of you or most of you encountered that you may not able to access the DeepSeek to the website. So this is an option where we can use a DeepSeek in offline mode. So I want to walk you through the all process. It's going to be very short and sweet. The good news is that you don't have to what? You don't have to connect your computer to the internet in order to have access to the DeepSeek. First, you need to download the LLM studio. Once the installation is completed, what we're gonna do at this point, you can download DeepSeek, and it's about 4 GB. Gonna take about time, but it depends on the speed of your internet. Once you install and download, and I believe so that you must be very happy. It is 4 GB as you look at in here. I just downloaded. I'm so excited. What I'm going to do, I will click on Start Now Chat. See how the DeepSeek R1 will responds my question. If you look at in here, you can find out using LLM Studio, and you have to find out which kind of, let's say, which kind of AI chat GPT. If you have a chat GPT, you can see the chat GPT here, but I am using LLM Studio, and I'm trying to make sure that I don't have to have too much load on my computer. But anyway, let's ask a first question. My question, let's see, let me challenge how for this DeepSeek will be able to answer my question. What make difference in between mind and brain? I know this is kind of philosophy question. See how far the DeepSeek is able to go. I think it's gonna take time. Like, let me think. As you look at in here, I got all information about that makes difference in between brain and mind, or mind and brain. All right. I hope the information was very informative. If you think so, the only way to appreciate my work is to subscribe, like the video. Until next time, stay safe. Be brave.